So we've taken your PowerPong Alpha Plus out of the box, and now I'm going to teach you how to set it up. So there's 6 things that you'll have in the box. You'll have the robot, obviously. You'll have the Alpha Plus control box. You'll have the mounting bracket. You'll have the control box cable. You'll have the power cable. And then you're going to have one more thing, and that's the small Velcro strips. And they are adhesive. You're just going to put them on the sides right there. So just simply take your side nets and just pull them down just like this. The robot's head is facing backwards, so we want the head to face forward. So there's a screw right here on the back. We're going to loosen the screw and then just turn the head facing forward. Now it should face forward near the center of the table. The ball should be thrown to the center of the table, about 16 inches from the end line. And we've got these legs here. The legs are also turned backwards, so we're going to turn these legs forward just like that. This helps secure it to the table. Now, if you have a 1-inch tabletop like I have, they're set perfectly. If you have a 3/4 inch top, just unscrew these a little bit. And if you have a 1/2 inch top, unscrew them just a little bit more. You've got one more thing. You've got this cable, and you're just going to push the prongs right into these holes here and then screw down on both sides. Now we're going to put the robot actually on the table. So this lip right here, this goes on top of the table, and these legs go directly underneath. So lifting from the bottom of the robot, we're going to set that lip right on top. Those legs go underneath, and then of course those corners are going to push down right here and right here. Now for the side nets, typically I recommend that we go directly under here, this part of the net, and loop it directly underneath there. Now, there's usually a screw that sticks down right there, and we loop it around the screw. But for this net, it's a little bit unusual. It's a clamp, so we're actually going to use the clamp. So we're just going to clamp it directly under there, and then, of course, the same on the other side as well. So pull this side net forward and lift up the clamp and go like that. Now, again, most of the nets are not designed like that. So for your average net, what we're going to do is we're going to lift this up, go here, and then loop it around this screw right there. Some people put it on that screw, but that causes actually a gap. So we want it to be as close to the table as we can. But again, I have a clamp net, so we're just going to do it just like that. Now, in order to put the control box on the mounting bracket, you have to see there's these little tiny holes in the side of the control box, and then there's these tips that stick up just like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to put this directly through like that, and then it just rests freely on the side of the table. Now this is really important for your control box cable, that you make sure that you press it firmly in. So press it firmly into the control box just like that, and then you're going to put it in the hole on the left side. So you see there's 2 holes. The one on the right is for the power, and the one on the left is for your control box. Make sure that you push that in extra firmly, and then same thing for your power cable. You're going to push the power cable in all the way, and then as soon as you plug it in, you'll hear the robot turn on. Press that in right there, plug it into power, and there you go. Your quick setup on the PowerPong Alpha Plus.